Hey guys, Shane Thomas at Horne Auto Center here in Show Low, the Chevy store that saves you more. I'm going to do a how-to video this week, program your home link system. I bet a bunch of you have this feature inside your vehicle and don't even know what it is or how to program it, and I'm going to show you how. Most of you guys have a garage door opener that looks similar to this one. And inside your vehicle, you're going to have a 3-button system up here. Some are labeled 1, 2, 3, some have dots, and there's a little home icon right below it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and reach up and press the 1, and while you're holding the 1, you want to take your garage door opener and hold it just slightly below it and slowly press and release. And when that button starts blinking really fast, your garage door is programmed to your vehicle. If you have a newer garage door opener with a revolving code, it may not work when you push the button. Simple fix. You have to get on a ladder, open up the back of your garage door opener, and on the top there's going to be an orange or purple button. You just press that button, and within 30 seconds you have to safely climb down your ladder, come into the vehicle, and press that button, and the garage light will flash and start working. If you bought a pre-owned vehicle, or maybe it's not working properly and somebody set a garage door opener to it before you, that's okay. It's just as easy to delete anything out of there and restart. And to delete, you push the 2 outside buttons for about 10-15 seconds, and then the light in the home icon will start flashing really fast, letting you know that it has been cleared. Come on down to Horne Auto Center. We're located at 651 West Deuce Clubs here in Show Low. Come see me, make an appointment,